Hello, I'm Christine Phillips from Health Yourself. I'm a certified health coach and wellness chef. Now, I know a lot of you mums out there are always struggling with new ideas on what to have for dinner. So I'm going to show you one of our favorites at home. The kids enjoy it, husband enjoys it, it's super healthy and absolutely delicious. So it's called my butternut and barley with a bit of steak on top salad. You can have this in summer, it's so awesome. You can have it at a braai, just brings a different twist to everything. Now, the reason I've chosen barley is this, it's beautiful pearl barley. I love it because it's something different as opposed to having rice the whole time. It's a lot more nutritious. In fact, barley has a lot more sodium and a lot more fiber than rice. So very economical, just a nice different thing to add instead of rice every night. Then what I've done is I've roasted some butternut. You can use butternut or pumpkin. I put it in the oven with a little bit of olive oil and some cumin, roasted it for about 45 minutes. So that I'm going to add to the top of my barley. So here are my beautiful sweet veggies. And my family loves butternut, so it's a great way to add some vegetables into their diet. Now what I'm going to do so long is put some steak on. A nice piece of rump, sirloin, whichever you prefer. Put a little seasoning on, a little bit of salt and pepper. There we go. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil onto my pan for roasting. And I'm going to get that going so long. Season on top. Right. So while that's cooking, I'm now going to add some beautiful rocket to this dish. I like my family to eat a lot of greens, so it's just an easy way to add some greens into this dish. Okay, so I'm just going to roughly chop it up. I'm going to pop that on. You can break it, do whatever you want. All right, just lightly mix that up. And then I'm going to squeeze just a little bit of lemon juice over that. Just a little bit. Salt and pepper. Let's quickly just turn that. Look how beautiful that looks. And what I like about this dish is that a little bit goes quite a long way. This kind of food fills you up where you don't have to eat a lot of it. So it's great from a weight loss point of view as well. Steak is done, so I'm going to take this off. I'm going to just let it rest over here. And while that's resting, I'm going to chop up some beautiful fresh coriander for my salad. Nicely, roughly chopped. Now, you can put chicken on this salad, you can put whatever you like, but I like a bit of red meat. Got some iron in, and it's also got selenium. Now, selenium helps break down fat as well as chemicals in your body. So it's good to eat a little bit of red meat, but choose good quality meat if you can. So let's do a little bit of a salad dressing. A nice healthy dressing is important. So in my jar over here, I'm going to put just a little bit of grated garlic into it. There we go. And a bit of fresh ginger as well. I love using fresh ginger. Also fantastic for your health and your immune system. I'm going to put a little bit of apple cider vinegar in here. Just a dash. And I'm using a pomegranate dressing. It's a natural sweetness, which is quite nice. Pop a little bit of that in. And a very, very little bit of olive oil. Right. Salt and pepper, always. There we go. I don't like to use a lot of oil in my dressings. Just natural sweetness. There we go. Let's just have a taste. Absolutely delish. Right, we're going to slice up the steak. Oh, beautifully done. This is a great thing to serve on a braai as well, when you're entertaining. But my kids love this for dinner at night. Here we go, and we're just going to pop that on top. There we go. Now we're going to finish this off with a bit of pomegranates. Adds a little bit of sweetness to the dish and a lot of color. I've got some lovely walnuts here. Contains selenium, really, really good for you. I always like a crunch in my salad. And a couple of pumpkin seeds on top. There we go. Then I'm gonna cover my dressing, just a little bit gently all over your meat, your salad. And that is dinner served. Do try it. You can go to my website to get this recipe on healthyourself.co.za. Let me know what you think. It's super healthy, it's really fulfilling and totally nutritious. Well, that's it from me, Christine Phillips. Stay healthy.